What is up everyone? Welcome back to our channel. And this tutorial will guide you through the process of finding someone you played with on Roblox. This can be useful for reconnecting with friends or players you enjoyed gaming with. The steps are straightforward and will help you navigate Roblox features effectively. So let's get started. Locate the Roblox app on your device like a laptop, desktop, PS5, Xbox, or any platforms that are available. After you locate the Roblox app, click or tap on it to open. You can see mine is already open on the Roblox app, and I will use my laptop to play Roblox. While we are in the Roblox app, make sure that you are in the home screen tab. If not, click the home screen tab located at the top left side of the screen. As you can see in the video if you're using a laptop or desktop. And the home screen tab, click on Add Friends located at the top left of the screen to open the Friends tab. In the Friends tab, as you can see, this is where it automatically generates the friends you can add. For example, let's add some players to play with. After you click the Add button on random players, this is what it looks like after clicking it, and it means that it's pending. Or you can find a friend you may know by clicking the search bar located at the top of the screen. In the search bar, type the person you may know. For example, I will type this name of the player. As you can see, this is all the players with the name I write. Expect that you may encounter many players with the same name as your friend's name. So I prefer you communicate with a player you want to add near you so that you can identify which one is their avatar. Finding someone you played with on Roblox is a simple process involving checking your recent player list and using the search function. By following the steps, you can easily reconnect with friends and fellow gamers. If you have any further questions or need assistance, feel free to explore Roblox Help Center or community forums for additional support. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.